Tyler from FlexArm. I want to talk to you about the automated tapping solution that we've provided to Crown Equipment. We're using a ready robot paired with an A32 tapping arm. Our pneumatic tapping arm takes away the forces in tapping and holds perpendicularity. So the key to this is Crown has a bunch of lasered out parts that they need to tap, and they wanted to automate their system, and we provided the solution, a low-cost automated system that they can now use. If you have any questions about our automated tapping solution, I'd love to talk to you about it. My number is 419-738-8836. Thanks.